Happy day guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean the Cascade tank. But first, let us define what is Cascade tank. Cascade tank, also known as Hotwell, is a part of boiler feedwater system. Water is pumped into the Cascade tank from the feedwater tank. The boiler water is treated in the Cascade tank, and the return from the steam heating system is also connected to the hot well. The term cascade is often used because the dirty condensate is filtered through cascading method in different chambers. Dirty condensate doesn't readily have any contamination. However, due to failure of any heating coils, oil may reach to the system, it then contaminates the whole system. To avoid such situation, dirty condensate is treated in cascading process.